Oh, hello. It is May 10th. Hey everybody, it is currently the anniversary of my birthday. My birthday was on May 10th and it's June 10th, so I'm 14 for a month now. And I'm also on a hammock, so. And school's ended, so life's great right now. Anyway, we gotta pick up some sticks and then we might ride our bikes to Devil's Lake, which is quite a long bike ride, so that should be fun. And yeah, bye!
Good workout, Julia.
Yo everybody, you just finished picking up some sticks and we're currently gonna head out to Devil's Lake. Woo! He didn't die, it's a miracle. Oh, praise God, hallelujah, make him back.
The banana in your back pocket, though.
I got a banana butt.
Okay, we're on our first break. How do you feel?
I feel okay.
No, you don't. You lie.
Don't eat.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, I'm gonna find a spot.
Oh my God, we just biked up that big hill
This
and
feels good. These are like cold.
yeah. Well, I'm pooped. Are you pooped? It's our first break. We're probably gonna.
have tea. It's so hot.
Okay. I guess we're gonna go now. Oh man, I don't wanna. I wish I could be a viewer. Because the viewers, like, in a few seconds, you're gonna have an epic montage, and then we'll suddenly be at Devil's Lake.
Water.
And for us, we actually have to go there. Okay, bye. Woo! Alright. We just went uphill for, like, forever.
Forever.
Now we're finally going down. Woo! Uh-oh, it's probably nothing. Someone just honked at us. Alright, we're almost there. And I'm going off.
Hello everybody, we're here, we went for a swim, and we're eating snacks. We are eating, and I need to try your bunnies.
Okay, ready?
What are you doing?
Okay, ready, I'm gonna throw one of them.
Oh shoot, is he gonna attack us?
What is he gonna do? He's gonna grab it and then run away. Oh, it skipped.
So close.
Especially
Wait,
Devil's
ready?
Lake. They're not really used to people.
Oh,
I guess
really?
I guess they kind of are, but like, I've never seen them come this close to Devil's Lake. Really close.
Oh my god, is he gonna get it? That's oh god, I'm scared.
He's like 2 arm lengths away.
Like legit, if I jumped, I could probably touch him. Like I'm not kidding.
Whoa, that's pretty close.
He's so close. This guy's a daredevil. Here.
I'm rolling.
Whew. That was a long bike ride, and should I tell them about our easy bike ride back?
Yeah, we only rode the way there, and then we called Julia's dad, and he just had his truck, and then.
And he took his truck and drove us back because we were really tired. I'm still really tired. That was tiring.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm chilling in the hammock now. I feel a lot better. I'm kind of hungry. You want to make some food?
And now you're rambling. So, thanks for watching, guys. Click down below to subscribe. Link in the description below for the next video, right?
Yes.